Mhm. Oh, okay. But when it will be over, Ramadan. Mm-hmm. Then it will be over 20 March, right? Eid, right. Then you people celebrate that day, right? Okay, you don't take any kind of food, any water, or nothing is morning time, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So, mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Right now, did you take any food? Okay. Then after that, what you want to eat, and after sunset, you people take it, right? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Then everyone takes this fasting, or what? It has any kind of rule regulation? Any kid they cannot take it, or it record any kind of age group people they take it fasting? Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Who gives you permission? Okay. Okay. Healthy people they take it fasting, or who are suffering any kind of disease, or who are old age, means after 60, or any kid, young kid, newborn kid, they can take food, right? Okay, who takes you permission? If someone they tell I don't take fasting, I cannot take fasting due to this reason, then who will give permission? Mhm. Okay. 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 Okay, then you people believe it, right? Right. Are you student or working? Okay, you are a teacher, government or private teacher? Oh, okay. Then do you teach in your state, or do you teach in different state student? Okay. How long have you been doing that kind of profession? 1 year. Okay. Which subject do you teach? Mm-hmm. Okay. Your native language. Okay, then you teach two subject, right? Urdu and English. Okay, then primary and upper primary student, right? That good because you teaching is a best exercise to learning. Then you teach also you uh, provide your intelligent knowledge everything to them also, and you are also learning, right? Yeah, you are right. You are right. Right. Hmm. Right. Right. Because you can enjoy with them while teaching them, right? And how far from your school to your home? It is so near, right? Then how? Hmm. 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 You always interact with them, and you always with them. You go with them. You come back from we come back with them, you teach them, then always you can say 10 to 12 hours stay with them, then definitely they are your friend and they feel my teacher is our friend, right? Right. Then how long have you been using this platform? Okay. I got your point because I'm also because it is not possible to use regularly daily or that kind of, right. If we get free time then we can use, otherwise it is not possible. Some people they can do it, but it is so hectic to use regularly. I am also after a long time I pardon. I am from Odisha. Have you heard about Odisha? Do you know? Yeah, I'm from Odisha. I don't do anything. I want to enhance my spoken part. That's why I'm using this platform, right? And we people depend in this type of platform to interact with the co-learner, language learner. It is a better for us. At least we get chance to interact with them. We get our fluency, confidence, right? And we can learn also language, including we know about their culture, food, atmosphere, people, so many things while interact with others. Hmm. O- Okay, it is a good question for me. Apart from this platform, I focus LSRW, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. I cannot do it regularly, but try to do it. If I get time, then I do it. That is only best technique to practice, right? Yeah, and I take this kind of because of without and language has four skill, four pillars. If you don't take the four pillars, then it will hectic to improve your language, right? All are interconnection each other. We have to listening also. We have to practice also listening. We have to practice also speaking. We have to practice also reading. We have to practice also writing. If you take only two skill, listening and speaking, and if you never do reading and writing, then it will take time to enhance your spoken part also, and you cannot speak also correctly, right? Then we have to follow four skills regularly. Then within short period we can convey our message with whom we want to interact. Everyone makes mistake, it is not our mother tongue, it's okay, but we have to focus four skill. It is a better. We can speak correctly with grammar, and we can write also correct sentence with grammar. If we practice reading and writing, right? That's why I do. And you tell, what's your activity? Do you take your spoken part? Mm-hmm. Four skill, right? Right. Otherwise, if illiterate people, they also can speak without reading and writing. Illiterate, but they make mistake. They speak fluently like a foreign accent, but they make mistake with grammar. They don't have accuracy, right? But well educated people, they focus reading writing also. That's why they can speak correct sentence with grammar. Otherwise, language is a language, right? It doesn't require any degree, percentage, any schooling. If we have to learn through listening and speaking, right? Okay, tell me. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Tell me. Mm-hmm. What is the piece of advice to life taught me? Okay. What is the advice of peace? Do you want to know about peace? Happy? Or okay. Piece of advice. What life taught me, right? Life is a teacher, and life always teach me uh, how to consistency, and how to practice, how to regularly improve, and we have to focus about it. And first thing is a patience. Without patience you cannot achieve anything. That is my main focus. Determination, devotion, dedication, consistency, that is a my life taught me, and I always focus it. And you tell. Yeah. Otherwise, patience is people, they lose their patience. They only get quick result, right? You never get a exact result. You cannot succeed. If you have patience, slowly, gradually, you get your success, and you lead your destination. No one can get overnight, right? Because you are a teacher, you know everything. No one can get overnight. Nothing is free in the world. If you do hard work, then you get something. That is only one thing. Only do hard work. Simple it. Mhm. Mhm. Okay, I will tell you two things. It is required for our professional life. If you want to improve your professional life, if you want to grow your professional life, it is mandatory to learn English, because English language create generate income source. Even though if you don't have degree, but if you can speak fluently, if you go to Gulf country and abroad, you get any kind of job in there and you get a good salary, right? Or that's why it is a bridge. We cannot